Okay, good morning. This is All of Our Investments. Here to go over some stocks from the GAT scanner today. Before I get started, just want everybody to know these stocks are all they're up on the day, higher than they normally trade at, and a lot of them eventually are going to come down. So this isn't something to bet the farm on. This is sort of the stuff that I'm looking at to really get in and out of, just in a few seconds or minutes, not for an extended period of time. So I just wanted to clarify that if there's anything here. Not normally a day trader. All right, so ENSC is the first one on the list. I think they announced a $23 price target, I think, yesterday. And looking back, I don't think the stock has ever even. I don't believe they've ever even been that high before. So. Yeah. So anyway, I really don't expect it to do that. To go that high today. All right. So the high pre-market is 645, and so it's holding. Looks like it wants to hold VWAP. So that's what we're trying to get over. And so, how do I get switched over to the minute chart? Daily. Okay, so we made it through we broke through the 200-day moving average, pre-market today. So this is probably like the next level of resistance I would look for would be from like back here in July. And then if we can get through that, which we're at, let's see, it's like okay, 724 looks like the next level we're trying to get over. So if it can, needs to get over 645, then it's got to get over that. Okay, IINN, a really nice chart on this one. They signed some sort of strategic agreement. See if I can bring up the signed strategic agreement with Innovend for the potential deployment of 1,512 art systems in Poland, Czech Republic. Read the article right here. So so they went from like under $3 to they're at $5.88 here. This was just all pretty much this morning. So next level of resistance is going to be from back in August. Let's see, so 648 is the next level we want to get through, and then we got room up to this high of 959. That's going to be perfect. You guys get the gist of that. Okay, PEAR. This one just IPO'd a few days ago. So this is really not really difficult to predict. Pre-market today it jumped up from all the way to $17.99, and it's only been trading a few days, but it's never been that high before. It only hit a high of $12.95 on the 7th. Yeah. Of course, we could go back and see if it did anything in the pre-market. It looks like that was during the day. So, it's pulled back quite a bit. It's got, it keeps on VWAP's definitely working against it. Keeps wanting to bounce off it, so it's got to get over that. And hopefully it can make a move today. I don't want to underestimate anything this now. AVCT, I think they announced they're seeing higher revenues, and so it jumped up to. This is really lower than I would normally trade. I would normally want prefer to trade something over $4. And kind of all over the place. Anyway, hit a high of 160. I think they got a little resistance, maybe like 170, and then psychological resistance like $2. SYTA. I think we talked about this one a couple days ago. It made a move. Just a couple days ago, we were at 720, and jumped up pre-market to 586 today. This is too choppy. It's not a clean enough chart for me to really say I can predict anything on it. IPW, they launched a new nutrient product on Amazon, and so they had a high today for this morning of 510, and then they sort of fell off. They're way below VWAP, so they got to get over. So right now 395, get back over VWAP, and then once it gets up to this level again, there's actually some resistance it's about to come into. Got a bunch of all these. Let me go back. Yeah, I'm getting these lines from August and September. So it's here's the first resistance you should be running into is at 518. So of course, it will done double by the time it gets that high again today. LEE, they had fourth quarter results. This is just not enough volume to trade. Can't get in and out of it. They removed some FDA hold on APRE. So this one was looking nice earlier. Thinking it might break over 5. Looks like it's pulled back quite a bit. Sort of expected it to keep bouncing off of VWAP there. So it's got to curl back up, get through VWAP, and it's quite a rejection there, but it was holding pretty nice here. So it's got to get over that, and that's your breakout. Definitely break out of at $5 there. And let's see if we can do that. We got resistance back here in October. Just around 670. Looks like no, I'm sorry. I don't know why I said 670. I meant to say 567. Looks like our next resistance. And then we got room to 589. So let me go and wrap this video up. That was the bell. I normally don't trade the first 5 minutes of the day. I find it to be too unpredictable and volatile. Once again, this is all of our investments. Everybody, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys back out tomorrow. Thank you.